Today we're going to be baking cookies, and here are the ingredients if you want to bake this with me, but if you don't, just keep watching. I wrote this different steps on the screen so it's clearer, but I will also try to explain it. So first, according to the dry and wet ingredient list in the beginning of this video, you just make them together first and then dump them together into one bowl and try to mix them together until it's smooth. And the way to check that it's smooth is when your arms are sore. That's how you check it. And then the next step is dividing the dough into 2 portions and then put them in between 2 pieces of baking paper and roll it out using rolling pins if you have one, or if you don't, you can just use any round objects. And then you'll be putting it in the freezer for around an hour or longer. Just make sure that it's stiff after it's freezed so you can cut them into pieces after they're freezed. Am I making any sense? But after that, you just cut them with the molds that I had. I had hearts and little people and bears, and bake them at 107 Celsius degrees for 11 minutes. And then while it's baking and waiting for it to cool down, I am making some icing with just powdered sugar and some water. And this is when the cookies are successfully baked. The little humans are like a little burned, but it still tasted amazing, so I didn't mind that, and they look great as well. And then it's the most exciting part. It's time to decorate. This is the food coloring that I bought a while ago, and I actually haven't tried them yet. So today I kind of experimented with them and did some marbling, and oh my god, that Christmas tree looks amazing. And then I also did some more experimentations, and I did a wreath, I did some more marbling, and then I did like different drawings, and it was so much fun. I loved it so much. Here are some close-ups of the marbling pieces that I've done. I only have red, green, yellow, and blue, so I kind of tried to mix together to get some teal, purple, and orangey colors, and it worked out really well. And then with the leftover icings, I dumped some red color food coloring in, and then just made some of the hearts pink. And I didn't mix them evenly so they can be marbled too. Here is a final review of all my cookies decorated. Well, almost all of them. I didn't do the bears because they were hard to do. And yeah, that's overview. These are the 2 that I experimented at the beginning. I really like them too. And here are a few of the best ones. And I just put them in one plate, and I just wanted to never eat them and preserve them forever. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!